Alright guys, so today was kind of a long trading day for sure. I overtraded. It wasn't really anything too exciting out there. I mean, just look at it, right? AIMD sold off, PBM sold off, SGD was just halting all day. I don't know. I didn't really like today, and somehow I was in chop zone for like an hour and a half, and then I almost gave back. I went to max loss, then I crawled out of that hole, but why do I do these things to myself? So I don't know. It was tough. Win ratio was higher than usual, but my risk reward was just not really good. I just took two big losses in general. I mean, look at that largest loss there, $800. That's stupid. I really don't know why I would do such a big loss. This was at 9:09 a.m., so a little bit after the market opens. Let's go ahead and look at the tape. There's just not even that much to discuss today, so I don't want to get overly focused on it. Or let's just say I'm ready for weekend. Let's just say that. Got some nice trades on PBM. I think I did okay on this one pre-market. Kind of shook me around a little bit. I was green, I was red, I was green, I was red. Nothing really too interesting. 909 is where we're going to go. That's going to be the interesting spot. Oh wait, 909? Hold on. 909. Am I crazy? Can't be. It must be 1009. Published at 909. This published date is wrong. So yeah, let's see here. 1002. Okay, that's when I had the disaster. I am 89 down on the day. I did a little swing trade on coin trying to get along on this ticker, but if I just held it, I would be a little bit better off right now, but I don't even know what I was thinking. I basically bought here, held through this, held through all this, sold somewhere here, and then tried again to buy, and I just got shaken out. So not too interesting about that swing trade. I'm going to put this over here. And let's get back. Okay. So let's go to the market open. Market opens. This was a little frustrating because I was up 220 on SGD, and then ding ding ding, and then before you know it, it actually holds here, and I buy. This is actually really good, that trade, and it doesn't hold. So I flatten just for it to kind of think it's going to go back up again. Buy again, and then I flatten, take another loss. So this was a little frustrating for sure. Pops back up, make some back of my losses, but it's not really good. PBM, this was a little bit better. I got this move here. Where was it? So I bought that dip on the 9 EMA classic dip trade. That's really good. I'm happy about that trade. That was solid. SGD still halted, and the halt nightmare really continued. PBM rips up higher. I should have been really focused on PBM, nothing else, just PBM, which I was for a bit, and I made some money on it. But on this flush, I gave back, quite a lot. So I just was not good being patient. I was green on the day, but I always kind of forced some positions, and then I got more and more red on it, and that was my downfall today. PBM, I could be up quite a lot, but this was an extended ticker, and I wrote this flush down, stopped out, and now I'm trying to trade it again. I did like some good trading here, but always this. So this is the. Was this the? Yeah, this is the. So at this point, I'm thinking to myself, I remember this exactly. This is so embarrassing. I'm like, okay, well, this ticker is always flushing or has a big red candle, and then it pops back and makes a new high a day. This is really the ticker I should be trading. I just should not sell when I'm red. Stupid idea, guys. Stupid idea. So that's basically what I do. I tell myself, I convince myself not to sell, and I end up taking an absolutely massive loss on a pretty decent sized trade. And guess what? This ticker did flush, but it ended up crawling back higher again. So I had the right idea, but if I'm not going to hold through the flush, then what's the point of doing it to begin with? I ended up stopping out at the perfect low just for this ticker to crawl back and make a new high day move. So I could have been up a lot on PBM, like a lot. Maybe I could have just done, realized there's a channel forming, and I could have just done the same thing here and let that rip. I don't know. There's no good trading I did after that, just like small wins here and there. Yeah, super uninteresting. So that was pretty much the rest of my trading day. I was constantly waiting for something. I did a little bit of backside trading on PBM. It actually worked, but it wasn't enough to get me back in the green. And yeah, that was it. So really uninteresting day in terms of setups, but there was some opportunity on PBM, and I should have known. For example, let's just go back to it really fast, and then let's show trades, and maybe we'll get lucky here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get lucky. So I'm a little bummed out. You can hear it in my voice. I'm just kind of annoyed at this point. I need the weekend. So over trading for sure. I should have just, without a question, waited for that flush to happen. I knew it was going to happen. Realized we were in an ascending wedge, ascending triangle a little bit. Flat top breakout was right around here, and traded that front side. Trade the front side, guys. Leave the rest alone. It's that simple. I do the mistake again and again. I hope you guys are not making it as much as I am, but that's how it is. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you then Monday morning. Ciao.